Hello, 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 hello. Can anyone confirm? Am I audible? Hello, hello. Still the same case. I am not audible. Can anyone confirm? Am I audible now? Hello, hello. Am I audible now? Hello, guys. Hello. I guess I should be audible now. I'm not sure. Please confirm. Hello. Perfect. So I don't know where because I didn't saw this comment, so I didn't know from where I left. So no worries. Can you please confirm from where you are not able to hear me? It's just from the background. Hello. Okay, so I am audible now. So let me rephrase one more time what I said, and then we will take it further. So in this way, like everyone be in the same context. So we discuss about Amazon Polly, and here saw uh, like people are not able to hear me properly, and I speak a lot without. Uh, and realizing like people are not able to hear me, so no worries. So this is what we are discussed for again for your reference. So uh, so basically when you search, go to Amazon console and search for the Poly, so you will get this particular screen. Okay, and here basically what is happening, whatever is written in this text, this is pronounced by this voice character. And you can see there are different languages, it's not just English. There are different languages. Okay, as I mentioned in the presentation, there support like 20 plus odd different languages, and there are different character according to those languages. So let's one more time, because people are not able to hear earlier. Let's one more time try to listen this. Okay, perfect. So what happened in the background, basically the AWS Polly services used this text and converted this text into speech. which we heard. Now, for example, if we search about here Hindi, okay, let me try this. So we are using Kajal, and let's ask Kajal to speak something. Okay, so what happening here? So whatever the language you select, according to that language, there are different character available. Okay, so now this different character speaks whatever you typed. Okay, and as I mentioned, like people are earning money with this, and how? Because people might lost my voice in the previous some few minutes ago. So let me rephrase what I was talking about, how people are earning the money, because this is more important. So actually happening here, like they are downloading the different ebooks. Okay, ebooks, and after this downloading this ebooks, they are now converting these ebooks into uh, audible books, or might be podcast, or sometimes like people are uh, like uh, uh, technical enough, so they are using this audio with their uh, created video, and publish on the YouTube different shorts, created different shorts, and earning money. So this is one of the way. Now like people, you heard about like chat gpt. So suppose someone write like how to lose weight in 5 days. Okay, so chat gpt give you full length of 5 days course, like how to, what to do, what not to do. And now using this text, people are using Amazon Polly or any speech to text to speech services, converting this text into speech, and using some kind of PPT, or creating the video, and uploading onto their reels, or might be YouTube. So there are a lot of like things are going with this craziness nowadays. So but as you know, like we are a programmer, so we are going to deal with this with our programming sense. So what we can do with the programming. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the AWS C sharp combination code. And as you're aware, like this is like what we are going to create is basically we are going to create a simple program which is going to use Amazon Poly services, and that Amazon Poly services convert whatever the text we are giving it to it. Okay, so for the ease, as I mentioned, I already created this program, but I will definitely walk you through, and going forward, like you will get this program and the PPT, everything on my GitHub repo. Okay, so I will share that. So what exactly you need to do? So we created a console app, and just go here in the NuGet package, and if you search here AWS SDK Core or AWS Poly, so these are the two things which you need to install. Okay, so this NuGet package you need to install in your code. Once you're done with this, okay, the next thing is very simple. So I created a simple program like Bolo. So because you all are aware of what is Bolo, but it is like those people who join from the other countries and not aware of what is Bolo. So Bolo means speak. So this is a program which say क्या बोलना है, means what need to be speak, and then किस में बोलना है, in which language we have to use, and कौन बोलेगा means which voice character we have to utilize in this. So here what I'm doing, I'm sending kya bolu. This is my if you are not aware, if you are not able to visualize because it is one way communication always with this live stream. So let me enlarge the font, and if you see over here, so here what I need to say that is saved into kya bolu. So I wrote in something in Hindi. Okay, then in which language? So because this is written in Hindi, so obviously I am asking to talk in Hindi. Okay, and who is going to speak it? So this is going to speak by Ravina. Okay, this is a character in Amazon Polly services. So what exactly now need to do? So you need to create a access key and a secret key. Okay, and how to create it? If you are not aware of that, I will explain. You need to go. So firstly, let me ask you, are you aware how to create, because it is going to be a mono dialogue. So let me ask you people, are you aware how to create this AWS secret keys? Anyone? You can type in the chat. Are you aware? Vivek, Rahul, Arun, anyone? If you are aware, then it's okay. Like, don't need to type. But if you are not aware, let me know. So mostly, like, I don't know whether I am audible or not. Again, okay. So Vivek said no. So no worries. So Vivek, basically, like, this is the console, AWS console. Okay, whenever you are going to uh, use this AWS service, you need to log in into AWS service console. Okay, and it's like, as I mentioned, it's a 12 months free program for most of the services. So once you're done logging into here, then you need to search for IAM. Okay, manage access resources. Although there are various ways of using this, but I'm going to share you a simple one. Okay, which can be changed later on. For example, I already created a user, but suppose I want to create another user, suppose Vivek. Okay, and then say no, next. And here you need to create the different group policies. So I already created the group policies, like, so you can click over here like the create group, and in that group, let me show you like what exactly happened. So here you have different services, manage accounts. You just need to select those, and though those policy would be available here. So what exactly it means, like, you can utilize basically this Amazon Polly services, nothing much, uh, or, uh, or you can think about it is just saying you can utilize Amazon Polly services. This is a translate full access, which we will discuss in the next services. So let me give the access for the both the services. Now click on the next, and then create the user. So if you see over here, a user with the name Vivek is created over here. Okay. Now, if you go to the security credentials, there is a section called access key. Okay. In this access key, what exactly you need to do? You need to click on the create access key, and there are different options like where you are going to use it. It is like command line interface, local code, AWS. So let's say application running outside. Okay, it will give you something and say you can give a tag over here, create access key. So this is your access key, and this is your secret access. Okay, So what exactly you need to do, you need to copy these two things uh, and refer here. So access key, give the access key over here, and then this secret access key you need to give here as a secret access key. Got it? Any doubt in this? So until unless you not provide these keys, you are not able to access this service. In nutshell, this is the thing. Then the reason there are different reasons are available uh, for Amazon services. If you see over here, there are like US East Ohio, and a different reasons are available. As I am in the Virginia right now, so I am using a US East one. Okay, so I use this region endpoint US East one. Now, what I am doing, I am passing these keys and secret into basic AWS credentials. Okay, so this is my basic AWS credential object is created. Now, as you already like aware of how to call the services, so I am creating a client object for Amazon Polly services, Polly client, in which I am passing credential and region. Then I'm creating a request. Okay, so this is what I am doing, the synthesize speech request which I am creating. And in this, what I am doing, whatever the parameter we ask, like the language code, in which language you need to speak. So we passed kisme text, what text need to be converted. So we said kya bolna hai, and the output format. So as I mentioned, output format can be MP3 or OGG. So I used MP3. Voice ID. So voice ID means who will be the character. Okay, can you increase this? Okay, is that better? Okay, I hope it is visible now. So uh, voice ID means क्या बोलना है. Then what we are going to do with this request object, we are calling the method synthesize speech async. As this is again a async method, so I am using get awaited then get result. So I get the response, and that response, using the file stream, I am creating the file of that response. Simple enough, no rocket science. Okay, so what exactly we did, again I am reiterating, we created a function called bolo in which we are passing kya bolna hai, the text which we need to speak, then in which language we need to speak, and who is the voice character. Then we are passing this credential which we created from the Amazon console using the key option. Okay, generate key option. Then this region is the US East region. This might be a different region as per your need. Okay, then we are calling Amazon Polly client, in which we are passing all the request uh, object value like language code, text output format, and voice ID, and asking this synthesize speech async to get this request and provide us the response. So as I mentioned, it is like await command. So but we are not using the async await here. Okay, so I'm using this get awaiter, and with the result, what I am doing as an output, I am getting a file stream output. What I am doing in the output, whatever the output file is coming, I am creating as a file stream an mp3 file. So let's run it. So what I am passing here, नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रजत जायसवाल है और मैं सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी का मेंबर हूँ. Let me rerun it. Okay, so This is our console. It ran. So this is hello. Okay, this is what we did. Now let me continue. So if you see in the bin folder, let me show you the bin folder of it. So on 1016, this is 1016 right now. 1016, we got a new file over here. And what is the output of this file? Let's hear one more time. So I am opening this file now. नमस्कार मेरा नाम रजत जायसवाल है और मैं इंदौर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी का member. Okay, so this is the output of that service. Now suppose let me change it to different. Let's make it to English. Okay, and rerun it. Okay, the program is started. If you see, the console is started, and now if I continue, it should create another file into debug. So if you see over here on 1017, it's created another file. Okay, so let me close this program and let me open this recently added file. So if you see 1017, new file is created. Hello, my name is Rajat and I'm a member of Indoor Software Developer Community. Okay, so what exactly is happening? It is whatever we are giving according to the language, according to uh, the character, we are getting output in speaking a native speak language, on which we can convert into either OGG or MP3. Okay, so far so good. Any question or any doubt in this? So I think this is the pretty much the demo which I created, and in the last, this is what all about me. So any questions you have, you can type in the chat, and I try to answer this. If we don't have any questions, then I am pretty much end this session. And before ending the session, let me share one more thing with you. Just give me one moment. So we have a continuous event in this entire month. Also, we have a few in the March as well. We are having few events. So I would appreciate if you people uh, let me uh, open open the link for you. Okay, just a moment. Just give me one moment, please. So these are the after this event we have on next Friday we have Amazon Transcribe, then Amazon on March next Friday we have Amazon Translate again, and a good service. Then one of the important is Amazon Recognition. This is one of the important service. I would recommend to attend this session as well. Then Amazon Extract, and after this also we are having few more services which I'm going to uh, register soon. But I would appreciate if you have not registered. I highly recommend to please go to Eventbrite, search for Indian.net and register for this new events. And also I would encourage if you can pass to your friends, that would be helpful. So after this, once this AWS services is completed, we are going to start AWS databases. And once that databases chapter is completed, we are going to start uh, uh, this Azure services, then Azure databases. So my main motive or intention here is to provide entirely details about each uh, services which we are going on daily basis, and along with that how we can utilize those services to make money, to earn the amount. It is not just whatever I'm sharing. It is just for, obviously this is for the learning, but by using this idea you can create your own product or your own idea and earn the money. With this said, I would like to end this broadcast and really appreciate uh, you people join, and hopefully next Friday would be more interesting with Amazon Transcribe. So please do join and share with your friends. Thanks you, and have a great day and good night. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.